Hi guys, Cindy from ScrapBrat. Today we are dealing with some of the offcuts from the other day when I cut up the card bases. Now most of these are 1.5 by 4.5, 4.25, 4.25. Some are a little bit shorter, some are a little bit longer. But what I wanted to do was to take and make these into page tabs. We have the cardstock if you craft it along. You don't have to use a scoreboard. You can just fold them in half. I'm just going to take and line it up on something, and it's maybe might end up a little crooked, but it'll be okay because once we get it to the point of being on either side of the page, it's not going to matter. Not gonna matter. Okay, and if you have an envelope punch or I think this is a gift box punch, you can just take and punch out the corners, the edges, and you line the edge of this up in the center of where it punches. And then you have a page tab, just like that. So you can take and decorate these, and some of them, if you will remember, we cut off while the pages were folded, while the card blanks were folded. So these are a little bit longer. These are basically 3 inches by 4.25. So I folded these in half, and I was going to do the same thing. So we're going to just go through and decorate one of these and one of these. But these basically the same thing. Just fold it. And you don't have to decorate them. You just stamp a word on them. Just stamp journal or, I don't know, memo or something on them and be done. And some of them, let's see. Here, this one I cut already. This one I cut a little bit shorter. And I just took and I rounded the edge of it a little bit. Just rounded it off a little. And I took my corner rounder and I went around all the edges. I don't know if you can hear Dave outside. He is having a morning. Dave's our rooster. Well, one of them. He's the main one. Nobody likes Dave. Don't be like Dave. My Dave. Anyways. So that is how you get the page tabs. And we're going to decorate this one. Because I already have stuff out for him. So, but while we decorate, I wanted to talk about my next envelope in my envelope series that I'm going to do. I am working on ephemera storage. Yes, it's been a bane to my existence. I haven't done much in my finding my floor on my side because, well, I've been stuck. And sometimes we get stuck because we're just not motivated. Sometimes we get stuck because we just don't have the time to apply to what we're trying to accomplish. And it's been very busy around here. Springtime is crazy. If you've been here for a minute, you know that I've been very, very busy. So I think we're gonna do that. I'm just gonna go ahead and do up some of these other pieces that I have. I don't know that we'll use them all, but we're gonna go ahead and just kind of see what we're gonna do here. But yeah, so I'm working on the next one. So it's not going to be a folio or a journal. It's going to be storage. I also want to come back around and decorate one of the ones that we made. I'm not sure when I will get that one up, but I want to use some mixed media projects. Mixed media projects? Nope. Mixed media products on it. So we're going to play around with some of that. Yeah. And are we going to round this one? I think we should round this one. That one's on this side. Should have rounded the other side. We'll just round all of them. We'll just round the whole thing. Ugh, that one's awful. Okay. So yeah, so that's what the plans are. And I know I'm still not doing every day. I've been trying to do at least a video every 2 to 3 days. Sometimes I do 2 in a row. It just depends on how quickly I can get them uploaded. I don't have a set schedule, and I hope everybody is okay with that. I would love to be able to get back to the point of having some sort of rhythm, but that's just, it's not happening right now. We're going to go ahead and distress this one too. Just going to go ahead and ink them up a little bit. Don't really have any plans for them, but I'm just going to just ink them up just a hair. So yeah, so everybody has seen, not everybody, I mean, maybe you haven't seen her, but Crafty by Toni does the big page tabs, and she puts lots of really cool things on them. She puts material and different mediums, I guess, on them. She puts lots of little hangy off bits, and that's kind of my plans for these, is to do really grungy page tabs and have them at the ready for when I want something just to hang off a page. Just have them ready. And I'm going to stick this up underneath there. But that's kind of my plan. But we're not doing the whole everything on it today. We're just gonna do a little bit, just a little. I have to go to work, so so we're not I don't have a long time to spend on making decisions, and y'all know how hard it is for me to make a decision on decorating. So I might do some off camera, and they will just make an appearance some other time. But I wanted to touch on this way that I'm using these, but I'm also using them in another way. I mean, it's same but different. So I'm kind of happy with that. I think it needs a little something right there, but I think this is too big. That's too big. I don't want that there. I don't know. Maybe a little button with a little piece of gauze behind it. Be kind of cute. So we'll see. And this one, yeah, I think that's what we're doing with this one. Very simple, very easy. You don't have to decorate both sides, but we're just going to do it on this one. This should be a short, quick and easy little make short video. So hopefully you watched it to this point. And if you did, I make a list in the description of a couple of other creators that I'm watching, and would really appreciate it if you would check some of them out. But yeah, so my mama's visiting again, so that's fun. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get her to do a craft along or not while she's here. I'm definitely going to try. I have a new series coming up. Whoops. That is going to, I believe I'm going to put the first one up next Saturday. So anybody that has grandkids or has kids themselves, it is going to be geared towards the kiddos. And it's going to be a craft along. It's crafts with kids. So my little buddy has got the bug. So we made one video so far, and hopefully he I don't know, hopefully he keeps enjoying crafts. They're good for us. I think he will. He's been making flip books. He actually wanted to show y'all how to make flip books. So I don't know if we're ready for all that. They're quite time consuming. He has a light box and yeah, the whole gambit. So we're just going to stick this little washi sticker on it. We're going to keep this one kind of flat. Okay. We're just going to stick this little washi sticker on it. We're just going to stick this little washi sticker on it. Ay, ay, ay. Good night. Real time, real craft stuff. Struggles. Okay. There we go. I'm quite happy with that. And again, you can add stuff to it. You can put buttons and put eyelets on it. Have them have a little dangle off your page and find it something. We're going to flip that over so you can't see what it is. It's an upcoming video. So when you have it on your page, you're not going to be able to tell that it's crooked. it's just going to be a page tab. So there's that. But yeah, and like I said, if you have a scoreboard, I did these with a scoreboard. If you have a scoreboard, makes it much easier, but you don't need one to get them done. You can just line them up as you fold them in half. You did a better job than I did. And yeah, but if you don't get them perfect, it's okay. They're page tabs, and it's for our junk journals. It's going to be okay, guys. So just wanted to say, whatever you do today, do something to go out and spread the joy and be kind to yourself and others. And until next time, guys, much love. Thanks a lot. Bye.